Good morning, how do you do? I am fine. How are you? How are you children today? I hope children you are feeling great today. I'm your Goldie ma'am. Welcome to the numeracy space. Today children, in numeracy space, we are going to learn two new things. So excited? Firstly, we are going to learn a new number and number name. But first children, we will learn a new number. But before that children, let's do the revision of the numbers that we have already learned in the previous sessions. Number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Tell me children, which number comes after 1, 8, 18? Yes, number 19, 19. Number 19. So, children, in today's numeracy space, we will learn first a new number 19. Which number is this children? 19. Let's understand the value of number 19. Here I have few pens of different colors. So let's count them. Children, count with me. Come on, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So how many pens we counted children? 19. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now children, we will learn to write number 19 in our maths workbook. Children, you will write number 19 in your maths classwork workbook page 79. Children, what is today's date? 21/12/2020. That is 21st of December 2020. T means tens and O means ones. 1919 is a two-digit number, so 1 we will write under tens, that is T, and 9 we will write under ones, that is O. Let's start writing number 1919. For number 1, we will start from the middle. Standing line, touch the bottom blue line. number 1. For number 9, we will start from the middle. C curve, go up, touch the curve and come down, standing, touch the bottom blue line. 1, 9, 19. Start from middle, standing line. That is number 1. For number 9, C curve, go up, come down, standing and touch the bottom blue line. 9. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. For number 1, we will start from the middle, standing line, touch the bottom blue line. And for number 9, in the middle, C curve, go up, come down, standing, touch the bottom blue line. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. Start from the middle, children. Touch the lower blue line. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. For number 1, start from the middle, standing line and touch the bottom blue line. For number 9, start from the middle, C curve, go up, come down, standing and touch the bottom blue line. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. Children, you have to complete this page by writing number 19 nicely in your classwork book. Children, you can write number 19 in your maths homework book, page 23 at your convenience. Children, do you know as you and I have names, numbers also have their names. So today we are also going to learn number name 0. But before that, children, let's do the revision of the concept of 0. Children, here I have taken apples in this plate. So let's count how many apples are there. Let's begin. 1, 2. There are 2 apples in this plate. Now, children, tell me, in this plate, how many apples are there? There are no apples. The plate is empty, which means there are 0 apples in this plate. So, 0 means nothing. Children, 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Now, children, we will learn to write number name 0 in our maths classwork book. Children, you will write number name 0 in your maths classwork book, page number 106. Today, children, you will write only one side of the page. Children, today we are going to write number name 0 in our classwork book. Before that, children, let's trace number 0. Let's start. Seeker, reverse seeker, and again we will trace. Seeker, again reverse seeker. This is number 0. What is today's date, children? 21-21-1-12-2020. That is 21st of December 2020. Today we are going to write, children, number name 0 on this page. But today we will do only half page of our classwork book, and the other half we will be doing tomorrow. So let's first do the tracing. Children, number name 0 we write in small letters. So small letters we write in 2 blue lines. Let's begin. First we will do the tracing of number name 0. Let's start. First blue line, we will do the sleeping line, slanting line, again sleeping line on the second blue line. For small e, slanting line and C curve. For small r, start from the first blue line, standing line, go up and small curve on the first blue line. For O, C curve, touch the second blue line, reverse C curve and touch the first blue line. O, Z, E, R, O, 0. Children, while writing, you will speak the spelling and then write. Speak with me. Z, E, R, O, 0. Again we will write in the blue lines. Z, E, R, O, 0. Z, E, R, O, 0. Z, E, R, O, 0. Children, you will complete writing number name 0 on half page this side like this nicely in your classwork book page. Children, you have to write number name 0 in your maths homework book, page number 46 at your convenience. Okay children, take care. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.